Welcome to the captivating coastal regions of Montenegro. Located in southeastern Europe, along the Adriatic Sea. Bordered by Croatia to its north and Albania to its south. The coastal region of Montenegro is known for its stunning Adriatic beaches, picturesque bays, and historic coastal towns like Kotor and Budva. If you are feeling daring, you can climb 1,350 stairs to San Giovanni Castle overlooking the city of Kotor and Bay of Kotor. Located 6 kilometers south of Budva is the picturesque Isle and luxury resort on Sveti Stefan, connected by a narrow causeway. The Isle is known for its historic 15th century stone buildings and exclusive accommodations, where famous actors have stayed such as Marilyn Monroe, Kirk Douglas, Sophia Loren, Angelina Jolie, and Brad Pitt. Located 14 kilometers north of Kotor is Our Lady of the Rocks, a man-made island formed by stones deposited by locals over the course of 200 years.